Welcome to our channel Plans to Reality. This is the blank template. First we add walls, then we add doors and windows, and after adding doors and windows, then we'll add blocks, furnitures, anything in block command. Then we'll add text in this, and then we add hatches and the dimension of this drawing. After your blank sheet will be open. After setting all the types of, now we start from the first part of the tutorial. So here we have a blank template. We start with the units up. We start with the units. Just simply type UN and enter, and dialog box open. Here is a unit, select architectural unit, and then precision. We are selecting the precision according to you, 1.2 1.4. Mainly we are adding using 1.4, and the unit is in international scale is inches, and press okay. We set the units, and then we make a rectangle. First we make a rectangle for the floor plan, and the length of the rectangle is at the rate of 50 feet comma 31 feet. 50 feet length and 31 feet height of the rectangle, and then press enter. Precision. Now this changes, okay, and then press enter. Now I start with the rectangle whose uh, we make a rectangle of 50 feet and 31 height 31 feet. If you're not able to see this inches sign, just enter the keyboard, and also change with the shift key. Just enter shift key and then option on the pen paper, and we enter a line. Here is a show extension line. Not I'm clicking on this point, we just extension here is not showing, but here is whenever you click the line option, and then that time showing extension option. If you are not able to see this extension option, just click on this snap option. If you shift this here line tool, and then again just select and go upside, extension upside, and enter upon the 15 feet enter, and again in this direction 12 feet, and then down and select enter. Now again press enter, again repeat the line tool 6 feet and enter. Now again 10 feet, same direction, in the same direction, almost 10 enter, 10 feet enter. Now join with this point. Here is a, make sure that this connected line at the intersection point. Here we need to ensure that all the connection at the intersection point. All right, again we make a line tool and press enter and selected. Here is also this intersection point, again next endpoint again. Now boundary of the rectangle, we need boundary of the wall. That's why I will go to the offset tool, and we take offset of 10 inches. uh, Keyboard key in this type of units inches, just shift key and press, just click on rectangle and upside click 10 inches, offset will be done, and press enter. If you want to repeat this again and again, just click on the specify key, and again we choose the offset of 6 inches and press enter. 6 inches, 6 inches, upward side, and then this one is 6 inches right side. It means we making a wall, inner wall 6 inches, outer wall 10 inches. Okay, whenever we make the wall thickness, we use the offset. Now after complete the offset done, we are making another things. Now I'll write, we make a one line more. That's why we select an offset of 10 feet enter, and again we we click on this line and make a offset of 6 inches. Just click and upward and press 6 inches, enter. Now click OK. Now this time you see these extra lines, intersection lines. That's why we are using trim tool, enter. Only shortcut, if you use shortcut for making drawing, and this area should be clean. Here is also showing, wherever these lines are intersecting and extra lines, just trim all the trim in trim command. Use only enter, and then just press on the extra lines. We move it without any interception. All the trim line here, we are drawing, all the extra lines will be deleted. Now we are adding doors and windows. First we add layers. Layer command is very important for making drawing, because whenever you make a layer command, and if you want to change, yeah, anything, you just click the layer off and layer on. You are show all this layer command in this drawing. We are adding door. First go to the new layer property and click enter, and door and door, windows, all the layers we are selecting and making different objects with different layers for easy classification in general way. Making a beautiful drawing with the help of layers. Different types of objects we are placed in a new layer option and select door, hatches, new layer, hatches. All the layer will be completed after dimension, and change the color. Here is the color option. You just select on this and you choose any color you want according to you. I'm using cyan color for the hatches. And then text, we choose the color, almost which one color, and we choose the orange color. Okay, and we will go to the door command and we add purple color. You choose the color according to you, whatever you want. You just select again and again, select and delete and again select according. If you make a drawing, if you don't want this type of, you just change. We choose pink color, and then color selected. Now all right, we have added colors, and press enter and cut the layer properties. If we add the different objects in this drawing, now we will start the door block. Rectangle to 3 inches and 3 feet at the weight. You type 3 inches and the length of 3 feet, enter. Now again rectangle, choose at the weight another 3 inches, at the weight 3 inches and 6 inches, 3 inches length, 6 inches height, and copy and move this in this direction and just select. For moving, press enter. Now we choose the curve start point, where we just say this start, end, and a center line. Now click on this simple door making. Okay, now again copy this small point, the x-axis, just drag and point. Okay, just now the door block is ready. Select enter and copy. So door block is ready. In this case, again we make a copy, co enter for copy, and we have it. This is the original one, and the another copy is making. Okay, now select and mirror tool, mirror mi, just enter for mirror for making same object in other side. Okay, mirror, yeah, just press click on this point and click in this point and press enter, and we remove the, and here we remove extra to extra dimension. You remove it, just delete, nothing with that. Okay, now let's make window. Don't forget to just change the layer. We choose the layer as the window. Okay, we change it. All right, now click any side of the drawing area At the weight of the for the rectangle, choose IEC rectangle IEC shortcut, and at the weight 5 feet 6 inches. You will see this rectangle is make. For making window, we are choosing REC enter according to the size, and if you want to change the color, just go on this showing here. You are just select and change according to you. Just see, you just change the color. Now again we have just collect, just select and enter X for explode all the lines. Then again offset 1 inches and select the object downward 1 inches offset and upward 1 inches offset. Okay, and then copy last with the midpoint, so you enter and select this one enter, and trim extra lines, just this one. Now this one trim. Okay, the window will be final for one window. Again we want to second window, rec enter for second window, choose the length and height of the window at the rate 6 feet comma 10 inches, 6 feet length and 10 feet height. Okay, press enter. Again we just select, press enter X for explode all the parts. Just see, single selection. Now again choose offset 2 inches. Okay, this time it's a big rectangle, big window, that's why choose to set 2 inches down, 2 inches up. Again copy, CO enter, and then again drag it and just select the midpoint and press enter. Doors and windows will be making according to use. We make a copy and make a command, move command. Let's make a block. Here is an insertion block. First we name, pick point, select object. The three things will be needed. Pick point, first you need pick point of the object, whatever you want to make a block, and then select and then press enter. You just see in a single click all the lines will be selecting. Now again we make a block, just make a pick point. We need first we make a pick point, otherwise yeah, you just select all the object, nothing it is required pick point. But select all the object here and just click on select the object and click OK, enter, press enter, and then at the end select center pick point. Okay,